Trusting the true nature of reality. Reality as a whole is a reactive construct. This construct is reactive to the thoughts of sentient beings, of beings of the highest consciousness. A reactant universe is one who is completely under the control of those who are conscious of its reactivity. The power of the individual is one that is wielded, whether conscious or unconscious, of the nature of their existence. The nature of your existence is one that is one of that which you think, that which you feel is reflected back to you. Thinking and feeling are intimately connected. The visions, your imagination, the feelings, the emotions are intimately connected. They coexist together within the creative process. In the universe, your individual and your collective universes are united in the existence of the energies that yield the particles that coalesce into the forms, and the forms that collaborate to create experience, individual experience and shared experience. For those of you who realize that you are creators, that you are the cause of your reality, you are no longer a victim to the reactive universe. For you no longer believe that there is an outside force influencing or affecting you. You no longer believe that there is a danger lurking to destroy you. You are the center of your universe. You are the source of the light. You are the initiator, the catalyst of the energies that lie dormant until your influence affects them to move in a specific direction. And you are constantly doing this. With every moment, between every breath, you are doing this. You are initiating the energies. You are the catalyst to the creation of the particles. The particles are coalescing into forms, and forms are collaborating with precision to create the experience that you are and have designed. It is incredible that so many of you are missing the point. It is incredible that so many of you have yet to rediscover your true nature when the evidence of this is all around you. And yet it is merely experience. For it matters not to source whether you are conscious or unconscious, although all the journey of beingness is one that moves from being unconscious to conscious. There is no blame, there is no fault, there is no wrong or right, good or bad in this process, for it all yields experience. And experience is the purpose. Experience is the name of the game. You are forever creating experience. You are living experiences on your plane of existence and many other planes of existence in which you are being expressed. But the rules are the same. The laws in motion, in action are the same. And that which you are able to express, that which you are able to create, continues to be at the beck and call of your movements, of your interactions. For your thoughts create things. For your feelings, your energies coalesce and create the experience, the feel and flow of the experience. And this, by law, is true. We are honored at the opportunity to share with you. We celebrate our ability to communicate to you now from our non-physical perspective. We are thankful and grateful for this vessel through which we are able to share. We are always here. We are honored and humbled by this interaction, for we benefit as much from you as you believe yourself to benefit from us. We are thankful. We are grateful. We are in support of you always. Thank you.